Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Shahidul Islam, the assistant teacher of Bakal Secondary School, Bakal Shakira. Welcome back to our online class. In the previous class, you have learned about tag quotient. Today, I am going to teach you about various rules of tag quotient. So, without wasting time, let's go to the board. Draw a picture. Number 2, look at the book. Number 3, let me do it. Number 4, let's go to the picnic. Dear students, number 1, draw a picture. You know that this is an imperative sentence. So, this is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence comes will you. So, here included will you. Look at the picture. This is an imperative sentence. Here included will you. Number 3, let me do it. The same rule. Will you. Number 4, let's go to the picnic. Let's go to the picnic. It is an imperative sentence and it means proposal. So, shall we will be included it. Number 5, let us discuss the topic. This is an imperative sentence and it means proposal. So, shall we will be included it. Have you understood, dear students? Okay. Now, I shall write some negative form. Scarcely, hardly, rarely, seldom, no one, none, nobody, neither. Barely, etc. Number 1, he hardly comes here. Number 2, he seldom goes to school. Number 3, nobody believes a liar. Number 4, neither of them win. Number 5, no one can do the work. Dear students, here the first exercise, he hardly comes here. Hardly is the negative form. So, here comes come beyond. So, does he? Here, does he will be included in it. He seldom goes to school. Seldom is the negative form. So, verb beyond. Does he? There is no auxiliary verb here. Number 3, nobody believes a liar. The statement is negative form. So, that question will be affirmative form. Do they? Number 4, neither of them went. Did they? Here the verb be2 and this is a negative form. So tag question will be affirmative form. No one can do the work. No one can do the work. Can they? Here is the same rule. Here is the same rule. Okay, dear learners. Now I shall write some affirmative form. Every mother loves her child. Number 2, everybody hates him. Number 3, everybody likes a rose. Dear student, every mother loves her child. Here, this is an affirmative form. So, that portion will be negative form. Don't they? Number 2, everybody hates him. Here, don't they will be included in it because the information is affirmative form. So tag question will be negative form. Number 3, everybody lies around. Don't they? There is the same rule included. Have you understood, dear learners? Now I shall give you some home tasks. Number 1, let them play. Number 2, nobody knows. Number 3, everybody likes him. Number 4, let's arrange a picnic. Number 5, all in a doctor. Dear learners, repeat again. I will repeat again. Let them play. Number 2, nobody knows. Number 3, everybody likes him. Number 4, let's arrange the picnic. Number 5, all in a doctor.